Hello everybody and welcome back. Today we are adding interactive lighting to your crafter's toolbox. It is super easy to do using the Easy Light from Pear Blossom Press. The Easy Light kits really make it super easy to add a lighted element. So they come in different size packs. This is a 5-pack and it has everything you need. So you get the battery and you get the light kit. And each light kit just breaks off of the grouping, and you pop in your battery and press the button and your lights will light up. It is that simple. So all you have to do is create a space for those lights to go through. So I have a little pokey tool here and I've got my project and I just want these lights to go in through the flower here. And you can see then I've got holes in the back. So I'm just going to take each one of these and make sure that I have the lighted side going into the little hole. There's a lot of different ways that you can do this. It just happens to work really well for this particular project, the way that I'm doing it. The lights are pretty forgiving, so you can mess around with them and move things around and try to figure it out. Sometimes it's best to create a little template first so you have a game plan going into it. That way you're not poking holes all over the place and maybe ruining a great project. Okay, so I have all three in place. And, well, I did have all three in place. There we go. I have all three in place now. And I am going to take an extra piece of washi tape and just cover the backs so that way they don't move. Now, if I flip this over and I test out my lights, you can see that they're lighting up really great. All right, so once you've got that figured out, all you have to do is kind of twist and get this going exactly where you want it. So I want my little button to end up over here by the word day. So I can tape down the rest of my piece there, and then I can even tape down the button. When you're finishing your assembly, you are going to need 2 layers of foam. So either 2 layers of foam adhesive strips or 2 layers of fun foam. So I have my first layer of foam on here already, and I'm just going to add some more adhesive for the second layer. And you can see that I just cut out a little square for the light controller. So all I have to do now is put on my second layer and match that up. You can see that I cut it slightly smaller than the piece of card. And once that is all in place, then you can go ahead and adhere this to your card base. So all I have to do now is pop this on. Now, if you don't have a stamp or a sentiment that says press here, you can always add a little post-it note that says press here, so that way your recipient can be surprised and delighted when they find out that they got a little something extra special with their handmade greeting card. Thanks so much for stopping by today. If you love this video, I'd love for you to subscribe and help support my channel. I'll be back soon with more tips and tricks for your crafter's toolbox, but until next time, happy crafting.